Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. Myro has pulled it together as a team, as a community, and they've brought this thing out of the ashes. What's next? What's been happening over the last few days? It's been a very busy time in the Myro world. We're going to cover that. First, I want to thank you guys for coming back to another video. Please do give the video a like, guys. You know that's all I ever need from you fine gentlemen and ladies, and I really do appreciate your support on this channel. So thank you personally, yet again, for your time, for your attention. I know you don't have to be here, and for every single one of those likes. I really do appreciate your support more than you'll ever know. I'll try to keep this quick, but there is some excitement in the Myro world. You cannot deny it. As a Myro holder, if you're not watching the chart, you have got to start watching this chart. I'm a big proponent of set it and forget it. But when a Myro community, when the Myro community is making moves like this, it's hard not to watch, right? Look at this all-time chart. We see the pop-up here clearly in a short-term, so far, uptrend. And we had a short-term uptrend right here before a correction, and then what happened? Boom, fireworks. Who knows, right? This could be a step up before another very big push to the upside. It's exciting nonetheless to see this thing coming back up and hitting above the 10-cent marks again. Why is it happening? Well, I'd love to tell you that there was some magic, solution to this, but it's just ass kicking and it's getting things done. It doesn't matter how you feel about the Myro team. Let me be perfectly clear about that. You don't have to like the Myro team, and they don't have to like you for you to make money off of them. It doesn't matter. This isn't a popularity contest. If it's making me money, I don't care if they talk shit on me all day long. I'll cash the checks, right? It's about money. That's why we're here. We're here for the gains. We're not here for the drama. We're here for the gains. So I've got to give it to the Myro team. Although it got a little rough for, a couple of weeks, things were kind of negative and the sentiment was not there. I was the first person to say it, not the first person, but you get my point. I was right up there saying, hey, this is negative. This needs to change. And, not that they ever heard a word that I said, but they are not stupid. Okay, they obviously know that things can't stay negative. They needed to hit the reset button. They've obviously done that. Look at this 7-day, up 64% on the 7-day chart. And, and it's correcting from that. I mean, we're pushing 12 cents again before it did its correction. Look at all the volume. The volume is still there. I have to give a nice little golf clap to the Myro team for getting their shit together and keeping their eyes on the prize. And for the community members, this is obviously largely in part to the Myro community. I've said it before, super loyal, almost cult-like, and that is a good thing. That's not me talking shit. That's a good thing. If you don't have a cult-like community, you don't have a chance, okay? You need loyal followers. So hats off to them. The price looks amazing. There's been some news in the past 20 hours. Myro posted this, but also Coin1 did as well. Big Asian exchange. Myro getting listed on that. It's forward progress, right? It's momentum. It's in the right direction. You want positive momentum. You don't want to be stuck just sitting around waiting on the next thing to happen. If this is true, Black Stars Crypto Marketing posted this and they retweeted it. Top 5 cryptos in trading volume in the last 24 hours on KuCoin. Myro's number 5 behind only XRP, Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin itself. So if this is accurate, that's crazy bullish, guys. That means that KuCoin's moving a shitload of Myro. Usually that's more of a kaspa kind of thing, right? But for Myro to be number 5 on that, if that's accurate, that's crazy bullish. This is something that I say everybody, that's not accurate. A lot of people didn't think was possible. Now, I know if you pull up the 30-day, we're still coming out of that. But if you pull up the all-time chart, this was the big selling point for Myro. They had one of the prettiest meme coin charts in existence at the time. Now, when this pops down and we came down below the 15-cent level, it took away that sex appeal, right? We needed to see an uptick, an uptrend to make the chart friendly again to newbies, to normies, the retail money that just got into crypto this morning and they want to go buy something. This chart has a pulse again, is my point. This is a clear uptrend, okay? That's what we needed. The chart is printing a better image, better for new people. It's not a scary chart anymore. So now I think we're only going to see even more. We're up another, almost 22,000% still from launch. This has a pulse again. I'm not telling you to run out and go buy more. I'm not telling you to run out and go buy it again if you sold. But I am telling you that if you are below your initial, say you bought somewhere above 15 cents up here, you bought towards the top. If you're below that now and you see this clear uptrend and you see the team hustling and you sell at a loss now, unless you need to feed your kids or something very detrimental or some medical stuff, that makes you stupid, okay? I'm just being perfectly honest with you. You don't sell at a loss unless it's desperate times, which you should not be investing with real important needed bill money anyways. So if you did that, shame on you. We've all done it before, but shame on you. Stop doing that, okay? Only invest with straight up waste money. And if you're in here with waste money and you sell at a loss after seeing this clear uptrend, then shame on you. You don't deserve the gains if the gains come around the corner. You don't deserve them. You've got to change your mentality if you want to change your money, okay? You have to change your mentality if you want to change your money. Hang in there. And just remember, there's another whole crypto market outside of this. Look at these crypto bubbles on the weekly. This is ridiculous. Look at all this green. And if you don't think miracles are possible, look at this shit. VeChain up 56% on the week. VeChain, the crypto we all held in the last bull run that didn't have a pulse for the last 2.5 years. All of a sudden it's up 56% on the week. Of course it is. Of course VeChain's up 56% on the week whenever I don't freaking hold anymore. So, this is just your friendly reminder, guys. Crypto exists outside of the world of every individual bag you hold. Don't get addicted to staring at one bag. Life goes on, okay? If you want some guidance, come see us in the private Discord community. We have a private pre-sale no one else has access to, popping off tomorrow. No one else knows about it. We're the only ones in it. So, it's a big deal in here. This is a family. There's levels for everybody. You come over here and you need private tutorials and portfolio reviews, I've got that. You just want to be a part of an awesome community with gems all the time and family vibes, we've got that too. Literally levels for everybody. If you come see us in the private community, you'll be family. If you don't see us in the private community, you keep it here on the channel, keep it casual, that's fine. I appreciate your time and your attention. I know you guys don't have to be here. So thank you either way. I really appreciate your time. Until the next video, just stay calm and make that money, guys. Thanks.